Hello guys, welcome to Super Crazy Hacks. Today I am doing Fevicol versus ENO. We will mix up with water and ENO. Let's see how we will check it. Let's start with water. Let's pour into water the Fevicol. What happened, we will check it. The Fevicol pour into the water. This is amazing guys. So simple experiment we will do it. So the water mix with Fevicol and then let's check it what happened with the water. Guys, in this only we will do it for experimental purpose and fun and entertainment purpose only. So you do not repeat. Now let's mix up with water. Wow, it is like a milk. It is all mixed up with water. So it will get like a milk. So after mixing up this one, we will mix up with ENO. What happened? Let's check. This amazing reaction with this. This is simple and science experiments purpose we will do it. This now this is ENO. It is orange flavor. Gets to work in 16 seconds for fruit salt. It is fruit salts. Faster relief from acidity. So this is fast relief from acidity with the ENO. So how it will reaction with the ENO, we will check it. Now we can pour it into ENO. Wow, amazing. One more ENO we will insert. Put it in this. What happened with this reaction? Now check it. Wow, it is same thing will happen in the stomach also. Wow, very nice. Amazing reaction with this. The acidity also same thing like this. It is a fast relief from ENO. Wow. The ENO and Fevicol, it is mixed up. Now it is diluted with ENO. Now check it. The Fevicol is very sticky. It is like a slime. ENO and Fevicol and water. These three are mixed up with this. It is getting like a slime. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.